this tutorial, I will demonstrate the steps to disable push notifications from the Shopee application. First, initiate the Shopee application on your mobile device. Proceed to the bottom right corner and tap on the Me icon. Access the settings by tapping on the Settings icon. Within the settings, select Notification Settings. Locate and select Push Notifications. Finally, toggle the option off to cease receiving push notifications from the Shopee app. By following these steps, you can effectively disable push notifications from the Shopee application. Thank you for your attention.